Me not kick here till it burn up. Fuck up.
Violate them now, it twice.
Put some respect for me name.
Shout out man a beat right now. Just take in the grip on my feet right now. The whole world want to see it right now. Them a tell me say me style complete right now.
Let me know that make them go crazy. Rastafari never weak in the holy sun.
Babylon me said them a fit.
Off all doubt, all disappointment, all iniquity spell that form against our children and our brothers and sisters and our low places. Go before us at this moment, King Emmanuel. Do for us what we can't do for ourselves. Remove all burdens, remove all pain, remove all shackles, remove all chain. Set our brothers and sisters free at this time. Oh, Most High King Selassie, Jah, Rastafari. Give thanks to the rising of the sun and to the
People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Bless everyone, greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens. I'm a lioness, I hope all is blessed. And as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. You know, health over wealth, and your health is your wealth, so please take care of it. Welcome to Lion TV. Blessed Sabbath. See me? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell. Yes, I'm my viewers and subscribers. Yes, so you always get that content. Remember I say, condolence to my father again once more. And you don't know, stay strong, Dante Brooks. I saw it go. I just live. See? Alright, my viewers and subscribers. Yes. So, today, I have phone. See, I put that song already on the platform. See? TILIBOP, all that. See? And it's just a pleasure to see the song blow up right now. The song Boss. Zine, I know it's song. Zine, and when the artist reach out to me, I say, yeah, that song is bad. Zine, and it's a joy now to see the song, you know, developed and gone all over the world right now. So, you're going to see that I want Zine. Also, I have another song where I feel I will blow up. Zine, and the first one I put it on the channel, I don't know. Big up Rudie Classic. Put some respect on my name. Zine, I know Lion Foot is a clean art individual. Artist as well, yes, what I say. And I'm doing this for my sake and for others. You know what I mean? Yes, my viewers and subscribers. Zine, and then we have Boom Boom and Skillibeng. Kick off. Why? Why the misunderstanding? Zine, they don't know the routine. More after the break.
Yeah. Yo, them girls look good, you know. Yo, I really skill, you know.
Put your head on my
You see that style the way me and silhouette. Bring the body the way so delicate. Pretty little thing, pretty little pet. Take it from your man, make him a favorite. Over here say you fi come with it. Over here say you fi come with it. Don't run with it. Over here say you fi come with it. Over here say you fi come with it. Don't run with it. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back. The Skillibeng the challenge, real as scale, my brother, make the best self anyway. They produced by Rose Sycamore. And I can tell you something. Look out for the video is coming soon. Yeah man, yeah, bad song. Big up real as scale. When you can follow real as scale, you know what I mean, on Instagram. Yeah man, you don't know. You see what I say? My viewers and subscribers, we're in my kitchen right now, I'm telling you, say. Me I will vibe there, you want to cook some cabbage and rice. You see me? Steamed cabbage and rice. You see it? Nice! Yes, my viewers and subscribers, but you don't know. But you have to take the time to pay the respect here and give them the follow up of TILIBOP. You see me I say? Yeah, the man song shell right now, I'm not lie. You see me on Irish Jam Radio in America. You see me I say, big up DJ Ryan, I love that strength there, and big up each and every one of the fans of TILIBOP. So my viewers and subscribers, you don't know the routine, you know, no watch where I go on.
Any engine upon right now, large up yourself.
Yes, I
like this one.
big up DJ Ryan.
Bring it back to the music. Perfect Shabba.
Them niggas on the chains are getting worse. You know the worse, now listen to Iron Jam.
Guess what?
You have to clean the airing. Trick the airing jam. See?
Bonjour.
Yes, reggae rhythm style. Serious radio style.
Irish Jam Radio.
This is a TILIBOP radio. Irish Jam Radio. Tell them now. It's right.
Good. Yeah, you are going out. You know, the man are doing your job. No!
New Jersey.
Babylon mix them up.
big up yourself, DJ Rai. Hold them. I mean, New York City. Shelly!
Yeah, big up Shelly. See, big up Shelly. Big up the Rastaman. Hey, so the Rastaman, I react on TILIBOP song when they made on the radio. That is support. That is encouragement. That is appreciation. The man feel proud for know so TILIBOP song a boss right now on the Pan radio. See me? And I mean, if the Rastaman related to TILIBOP or is just a friend, you know what I mean? But that's what you want to see as an artist. I get the love and respect and people appreciate you. You see me? When me come from, I feel like enough people not appreciate me and my music. I'm not afraid to talk. Big up Pale and see me. Love you. See me? Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So big up TILIBOP. All that. The song gone. See? Yes, man. I know it song, you know. I know a bad song. See? Real song. And it's a joy if you see the real song them I get. Justification, not just the gun song and the slack songs. You see me? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell. The more you like and the more YouTube put it out there, help the channel grow. You see me? Next, my viewers and subscribers, you have a father and son. See? Silver Links. And I said, yo, I said the youth I go viral many times. And me have utmost respect for Silver Links. You know, say, yo, him a groom my son in the right way. You see me? The son of father, the father footstep. That is why you say children portray what they see them parents do. See? So the youth, you can tell the youth MJ future bright in the selecting right now. And he might learn the trade and he might only get better. He might just eat, you know. I imagine. So watch I know that song here, Rudie classic, Zine, name, put some respect on my name. Put some respect on my name. Zine, line for the clear that out. Yeah man, put some respect on my name. So watch what I want. Look how them deal with Rudie classic song.
And may I pray that song? I wanna play this part.
Respect on it.
No! Punish show, my life. Rudie classic, big up yourself.
Come see. No respect who them come.
Tell them you have a son, chop.
Most of them don't like you.
Yes.
But there are fish in the parking.
Put some respect on me.
Come on, don't have to do the classic. Or the have to do the classic. No. Wait.
Yo!
Put some respect on it.
My son, yeah, go on. Wait, find that one here. Rudie classic. When I do the classic.
Rudie, you
find it. No respect who them come see. I do. Them no say them like
a long time Father and Sunday, I know. But you can't see them. Sure.
Put some respect on me name.
Look here, man. A long time Father and Sunday. A long time we in our kitchen. A long time we are trying. If them grudge we know, trust me, then late. Yeah, I mean, Father and Son with there. Big up to the people that will love you.
Respect on it.
You know everybody will love you, don't. But you see the one that will love you, love them back.
Some look never see come see.
See them with you.
No respect who them come see.
Talk to me, no man.
Them no say them not like you. But I fist them apart.
Rudie classic. Tell them.
Put some respect on me name.
Oh, yeah.
You know better. Put some respect on me name. That's a me nah go talk again. You know better. Put some respect on me name.
Me say me put some respect.
R-E-S-P-E-C-T. Respect those who respect me. When them a chat about I know my cup of tea. Classic me name you can't take it from me. I want to him up with them I want to see. I want to fly up the ticks I want to flee. And for the haters we are discuss me.
No one I get. See? Big up Rudie classic. Put some respect on my name. When you go over Rudie classic Instagram and follow him and listen to the full song. See? Yes, my viewers and subscribers. Boy, me I tell you, me can't wait for football start again. Me tired. I'll joke me I make you fit and fiddle. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. Big up Silver Links once more. I don't know, big up the young warrior. Bright future, say? Yes, my viewers and subscribers. Last but not least, Boom Boom and Skillibeng have a thing going on right now. I would love to see them start it up because, you know, Boom Boom are the world boom. You see me? And, you know, enough youth him push through and can't bust everybody, but Boom Boom say, boy, him did it from first scratch. Zine? Yeah, so Boom Boom, I want to read him name BMW, whole heap of artists step on it. I think Summer Kid, Dan Craze and YOG step on the rhythm also. See me?
Come and roll them like Alex. Violate them now, big boss. Come and roll them like Alex. See them got the sauce, and we got the spice.
And that's how I know about the rhythm until later after I find out a boom boom rhythm. See? Nice rhythm, nice production. So boom boom and Skillibeng have a thing I'm going now like, you see me? Remember hear boom boom I say.
Boy side. One side, bloody side. Next to genocide. Fuck this. We don't come. Who the big friend? War is on. Tell him say the war is on.
War is on. I realize that's I just look a snippet them here. Boom boom say yo. Which east side, genocide and gully side him thing there. See? And I them around the place and the big friend and such forth. But doing some search on the ground and I link one and two of my links them and thing. They must say boy, you know, there's different saying, you see me, but this how me I gather up, so like boom boom, you know, Skillibeng and Intense of a song on the rhythm also. And it's like boom boom get it up on Skillibeng page and it came down. See? So boom boom I pray. I say yo, oh it come down. And I say boy, Skillibeng I get pressure because the gun song them when I sing and the government them I fight him. You see me? And then boops after that boom boom song come down. Skillibeng must release 2 other gun songs after that. You see me? Yeah. I don't know allegedly. This is what I hear from one of my sources them off of the ground. You see me I say? Yeah, so like boom boom I pray now I say, oh, so what go on? The ratings, boom bam bam, don't forget where I come from. That's why I hear boom boom I say Skillibeng and grateful and don't forget where I come from. Because I know Skillibeng are the man right now thing are going on the platform big, so boom boom I say put the song on your page. So you know what I mean? It can gain attraction and momentum and you know what I mean? So but what you must remember, Skillibeng is under management now, and I think if I'm wrong, I think he's signed. I think Skillibeng is signed now, you know. Yeah, so certain things you could do, you must be careful how do it now because he's under management contract and agreement with maybe a label whoever signed him. You see? Because you know when you sign you become puppet and control and be told what to do by the person who signed you. See? So maybe boom boom if look on that perspective. But if anything other than that, Skillibeng must all know remember where I come from. You know what I mean? And remember who was there for you and who help your people know your song. You see, because selector can't work without artists and artists can't work without selector. We need to understand that because I've been around enough producers and them tell me, say, hey Marek, you're a good song, you're a good artist, you know. Songs and properly construct and everything. But what? We have to get used to it because the artists them ungrateful around here. Zine artists them do bad. I'm not telling about high producers who have been running Jamaica told me that. They see me more than one. Zine, so I don't know. Sometimes I good have to suffer for you bad. Because right now I feel like I suffer. Yeah man. Musically. See, my viewers and subscribers, I don't know, big up on yourself. Let me know what you think and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell. We say equality, unity in the system, in the business, and I mean each one help one if you can. Yeah man, and show love amongst your brothers and sisters. You see me, I say my viewers and subscribers. Yes man, big up on yourself. Boom boom, big up yourself. Hey, I'm gonna ask you a song, you know, with boom boom too, you know. Boom boom intro, you know, dead, you know, the year Jordan, you know. When we go now look a piece of it. Yeah man, all who never know of it, when you can go look on it on YouTube. Yes. Year Jordan.
Told you just put your feet, you know. Dead.
Yeah man, that's boom boom, you know.
Style, Jordan man I be now. Take a look at me feet now.
Yeah man, that's me, Lionfoot America.
It's good, son of my dress good. Me Jordan hot, yeah. Me Jordan chinos. YGP one camp. See heights.
Yeah man, real brother that. Real as scale.
Dress good, son of my dress good. Jordan out man a beat right now. Just taking the grip on my feet right now. The whole world want to see it right now. Them a tell me say my style complete right now.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, big up myself, I don't know. You see me? I want to love, I'm out.
If you're having suicidal thoughts, try ignore that. There are people out there worse than you. Did you know that? The one on name reasoning. It's good when you and your friend will are reasoning. You can diffuse the feud by reasoning. Start out to no defense by reasoning.
Yeah man, I hit that. Thanks for watching. Thanks for passing by. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell before you leave. Please and thank you.